Headaches facing drivers in this bitter cold beyond those dangerous icy roads. We talked to an expert who's got some tips on what to do when the winter weather takes a serious toll on your car, and ABC's Adrian Bankert is on the story.
When temperatures dip, getting behind the wheel can prove to be a challenge. Windshields iced over, car locks not working, vehicles with no traction on the roads. But how can you get a grip on these problems? Bring in auto expert Audra Forden for some advice. Tip number 1, before you hit the roads, check under the hood.
If it's really cold outside, you want to make sure that your battery is going to be good in the freezing cold weather. If you see any snow or blue stuff that's growing off of your battery, that's an indication you want to go to the shop to have your battery checked.
Tip number 2, iced out windshields, turn to your wallet for help.
If you get to your car and you can't see, pull out a credit card and you can just wipe that frost away.
And tip number 3, fighting a stubborn car lock, get sanitizing.
If your lock is frozen, no need to fret. You're going to put the sanitizer onto the key and then put the key into the lock. And look at that.
Finally, for tip number 4, if your car can't gain traction, let your floor mat give an assist.
Grab your floor mat. You're going to put it underneath the wheel. That will give you enough traction to pull your car out and hit the road. Let's go.
What great tips, right? And realistic. In extremely cold temperatures, batteries don't produce as much energy, so they drain faster. In a worst case scenario, if the car battery is dead, make sure you turn off everything, including the radio, the heat, lights, before trying to jumpstart your car.
Sanitizer on the key.
Yeah, I'm never going to look at my credit card the same.
I've been using the credit card trick for a long time. Just have gloves on while you're using it because it's, whew, your hands are
That would
cold.
be tip number 5.
Yes.
Always wear gloves. All right. Thanks, Adrian.